My name is Tabish Ijaz Khan. I am a self-taught artist. My journey started since my childhood. After that I started paintings and in 2016 मैंने उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा paintings बनाने की कोशिश की because I had time at that time. I had completed my schooling. I started to make more waste material art pieces. After that in current lockdown, Corona lockdown, मैंने about 250 paintings बनाई. I was always inspired by the nature, by the waste materials, which I wanted to turn into the waste materials into the art pieces. In schools, I used to make cartoons, the book pictures to make more and more practice for it. After that मैंने उसके बाद बनाया नेचर के रिलेटेड चीज़ें बनाई और मैंने वेस्ट मटेरियल्स पे बनाई. जैसे मैं बनाती हूँ on eggshells, on broken cups, eggshells, and also on feathers and chinar leaves, and I mostly depict Kashmir in that. उसके बाद in 2016 after my schooling, I had got more time to practice my art and I had tried to make more and more feasible for my time feasible for the artwork. और उसके बाद मैंने सोशल मीडिया पे अपलोड करना स्टार्ट की in 2016. I had got great response from everyone. और then I had never stopped doing paintings after 2016. उसके बाद मैंने in Corona lockdown मैंने about 250 paintings बनाई because हम सारे घर आ चुके थे तो we had a lot of time here. Art and MBBS are interlinked for me as we have to study a lot in MBBS studies and we have to study for about more than 8 hours mostly. Then art acts as a stress reliever for me. I try to paint whenever I feel exhausted or worked. Then after art, by doing art I get a lot of patience because in artwork we have to give a lot of patience to make it as a fine art piece, and by which I get a lot of patience to get more time for the more steady schedule. Now I have received India Book of Records and also Asia Book of Records and Women Empowerment Award, and in further there will be more awards. And after the 4 months investigation, I finally got recognition as India Book of Records for the maximum number of chinar leaf paintings, and after that I was being awarded with the Asia Book of Records also. My message will be that अपने आप पे भरोसा रखो. इफ़ यू रियली थिंक यू कैन डू समथिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल डूइंग्स, आप उस चीज़ की तरफ ज़्यादा ट्राई करो करने की और उसके पे मैं ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करो. नेवर स्टॉप डूइंग द थिंग्स यू लाइक, द थिंग्स विच गिव यू पीस, एंड ऑल्सो बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ एंड do hard work. These two are the only key to success: believing in yourself and doing hard work.